Hey friends, how you can use side button or back button on Poco M6 5G. You're using this button, okay, and you want to use the side back, not this button back, okay. So before before we set up this side button, I mean side back, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. And first, move on setting. When you move on setting, you have to scroll down, tap on additional setting. Here's the gesture shortcut. I think here under this there's no options. Full screen, so there's no option under this to make. It's okay, let's search your gestures. So here use button or gesture, okay, tap this one. Under this accessibility button, location, size. I think there's no options the button of the gesture, so let's move back again. Tap on gesture navigation here, home screen and system navigation. Under the home screen, here's the home screen. Then under the system navigation here, okay. If you want to use this side button, tap on gestures. Learn what gesture don't show again. Not now. Then here this side gesture will remove. Back button will be this side, and the recent will be this side, and the whole button back side will be like this, okay. I'll show you again. This will be like this, okay. Oh, this is the recent. If you want to remove your recent, you can remove like this, okay. And if you don't want to use these gestures, you want to use buttons, then you can use the buttons easily like this, okay friends. So friends, how do you like this video? Hope you love this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.